Welcome everybody to Travel About, and today we are in Schulenburg, Texas. Schulenburg, Texas. And we are in the old town part of Schulenburg. And we're here at the City Hall trying to find directions to the 4 painted churches. These are historical monuments, and they are near here somewhere. We just don't know where. And so we had to stop down here at the City Hall and the Chamber of Commerce, basically, and get some directions. Alright guys, this is High Hill Church. This is the first painted church we've run across. Alright guys, we've made it to church number 2 on our list. This is St. John the Baptist Catholic Church. These are all, I believe these are all going to be Catholic churches. This one was built in 1890. This is actually earlier than the one we just came from. And this one was about 11 minutes from the previous one, if you're interested. Nice country back roads, easy to drive. Easy to find. I put it on my Google Maps, it came right up. This is church number 3. It was about 7 minutes from the previous church. So far they're spaced 7 to 10 minutes apart. And I'm just going to wander over here and get the name of it for you. I don't know the actual name of the church. St. Cyril and Methodius Catholic Church, Dubina, Texas, 1856. Several hours later, because we stopped for a really good Mexican lunch, we are here at St. Mary's, Praha, P-R-A-H-A, I believe. It's Praha, Texas. This is by far one of the fanciest of the 4. Beautiful stonework here. entrance, grounds, everything. The door is just amazing.